Let's make sarma. Now, this is a very popular Balkan dish, and each family normally has its own way of making it. So, here's how I make my sarma. You're gonna start by cutting up your bacon. Fry the bacon along with some onion in a cooking pan. Mince some garlic, then combine your ground meat, onion, bacon, and rice in a bowl. Season this with some paprika, salt, and pepper. Add some stock and then mix to combine. Next, you want to get your sauerkraut cabbage. While you may use fresh cabbage, sauerkraut cabbage gives the best flavor. Slice some bacon. We're going to use this to line the pot so the cabbage rolls don't stick at the bottom. Remove the core from the cabbage. Detach the leaves and rinse them under running water to remove the extra sourness. If you choose to use fresh cabbage, then briefly blanch the leaves for 5 minutes in hot water. Cut off the thick, stemmy middle part from the leaves. Lay the leaf flat on a chopping board and spoon 1 to 2 tablespoons of the filling to the leaf. Carefully and firmly fold in the sides, then roll tightly. And don't forget to tuck in the ends. Repeat this procedure for all of the remaining leaves. Next, heat oil in a pan. Layer it with a few slices of bacon or bacon skin. Then lay the remaining cabbage leaves at the bottom of the pot. Carefully arrange the cabbage rolls along with the bacon inside the pot. We also add in any remaining cabbage leaves and some bay leaves for aroma. Mix seasoning, paprika, and stock and add this to the pot. Cover the top with a heat-proof dish. This keeps the rolls tightly packed as they cooked, preventing them from unrolling. Cover with a lid and simmer on medium-low for about 2 hours. Once cooked, prepare and add in the roux. This helps thicken the sauce. Serve with mashed potatoes, bread, or your favorite dishes.